So on the back of the 23 Thor Majestic, I got to do some winterization. But unfortunately, the one that's currently on it is a quick connect for air compressor. And I only have a bike pump and this kind of fitting, right? So I'm gonna take this off, switch it to a Camco blow-up valve that has the bike pump, tire pump fitting, and then continue winterization. I got a 1 1/16 ratchet and a wrench. I'll hold the back and uncrank it. It's cold. It's very cold. If you ever put this on, put it on too tight. Shouldn't take this much effort to take off. Come on. It's too tight. Why so tight, bro? Who did this? See that? Whoever did this, put that on tight, man. Well, at least did a good job, because you could barely take it off without using heavy-duty tools. Normally, I can take it off with like 2 wrenches, but I had to bring out some tools for this. So this is the new one, right? So I'll just do it by hand, right? I'll just thread that in like this. And then now I'll go ahead and tighten it with tools. Shouldn't have to use a crescent or wrench, but I already got it open. Why not use it? Okay, that's pretty tight. Yeah, that's not going nowhere.